Today we are making Rasmalai recipe. It's a very basic recipe. For that you need 1 liter milk, you need 1 egg, you need 1 cup of milk powder, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon of cardamom powder. This is milk powder. This is sugar. This is this is flour, and I've also taken an egg and I've taken baking powder. All the measurements are coming on your screen so you can make it accordingly. In a pan I've taken the 1 liter milk and I'm going to put my the cardamom powder and the sugar inside it because I want it to come to a boil on a very medium low heat. So we're going to wait for it to, and I'm going to add the sugar as well. I'm going to let this cook for a few minutes till a boil comes, one boil. Okay, in the meantime, I'm going to mix all these ingredients. I've taken all the dry mixture and I've taken 1 egg. You have to form a dough. I've also added 1 tablespoon of butter. If you don't have butter, you can add ghee into it. So as you can see, the dough has been formed and I'm going to make round balls out of it. It usually makes 10 to 11 rasmalai. As you can see, there's a boil in the milk. I'm going to now add the rasmalais in it. As you can see, I've made round balls of the rasmalai. These are the rasmalai. I think I've accumulated 11 out of it. I'm going to add them in the milk and I'm going to let it cook for 10 minutes till they're all done soft and as you can see, after 10 minutes they are formed into a shape and they've become nice and soft. I'm going to let it further cook for 6 minutes till it's done. So after 6 minutes these rasgullas are done. I'm going to serve it out in a dish. You need to let them cook really well. You don't want them to remain raw. Okay, so I've dished them out and I've sprinkled some almond powder on it, almonds and all, and it's really divine. You can chill it for few hours before serving. And as you can see that the rasgullas are amazing. Rasmalai, sorry, it's really good. It's soft. The rasmalai is soft and the milk is also so delicious, guys. You will really love it.